This is my next game, Kung Fu Clairvoyance. It is still under development, and this week finally I implemented a feature that I wanted to have since last year, and that is a blueprint system. It works like prefabs in Unity, but I wanted to apply it to level design. So for example, this is a long wall that had many parts, like stones, columns, and roof tiles. Long ago I made one wall and then copy-pasted the same through the level. It sounds easy to do, but since I started converting every level for 2.5D, I had to redo the wall, and after making one, I could just copy-paste this new wall all over again, around 10 times. But if I want to make any single change to it, I will have to do it 10 times again. So in order to prevent future tedious and repetitive work, I can convert any group of sprites into a blueprint. So this means that I can use the blueprint in any scene of my game easily and adjust position. And if I want to implement any change to the blueprint, I only need to open it like this and add or do any changes to it. And immediately every single instance will show the changes, simplifying the level creation a lot. So this week I developed this feature and updated the houses and also the large wall. Still, there are many other areas that need to be updated. Another feature that I wanted to implement is the ability to enable or disable areas in the map. So in the past I made a complete copy of a level so I could enable these stairs and rocks to prevent the player from walking straight. I wanted to add some variety to my levels as you play, small enough so it changes how you see those levels, or by doing some action you can reshape the area. For that, the first idea was to copy the level and modify it, but this requires to copy-paste whole areas, and if I want to change something, I have to change it twice, so it was too complicated. So in order to solve that, I enhanced the level creation by adding the ability to hide complete areas, by just hiding any scene item. So this is my test. I made a group which contains the stairs and the walls. So whenever it is visible, I have a list of collision areas that are going to be enabled or disabled. This allows stairs to work and disable them if the group sprite is hidden. This can also make some areas inactive, like the creation of enemies below, since those will be spawned on top of the rocks. It won't make any sense. So it is more than just hide a group of sprites. It also affects collision, can affect enemy triggers, sound, and anything else. So with this I changed how each level will be played. And lastly, there was a thing that bothered me a lot. For example, here I have a wooden floor and there is a collision box on it, but if you jump you will hit it from below, so it will look like this. You will hit the bottom of the floor so you cannot go through, but this doesn't look good. You should be able to go through, since it is displayed behind your character, but actually blocks your jump. So I changed the logic now and added this variable, so it can be added to any collision area that I want to be ignored when you are jumping on the way up, but becomes solid when you are on the way down, so you can jump from below it, and if you are on top of the floor while going down, you can step on it. This looks like a very small thing, but it actually affects gameplay a lot. And finally, it fits. Now I need to add this setting to all the floors that I want to allow this behavior. And lastly, this is a small bug that has been taking a lot of my time. As you may know, everyone is talking about Hollow Knight Silksong, so I had to play it too. So about 8 hours of game development went into that game now. It is quite good and gave me quite many ideas on how to improve my game too. And that's it for this week. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to support my work, please click like and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you do not miss my next update. Thank you so much for watching my journey. See you next week.